Hey guys, this is Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'm going to take a look at the Litecoin. So, Litecoin is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, but not a lot of people are excited about it. People think that the progress has stalled and nobody's working on it. But the thing is, a lot of people, a lot of developers are actually working on it. It just takes some time to push those commits on the GitHub. You know, the commits on the GitHub. People use those commits to judge whether a particular platform is actively being developed or not. So people think that not a lot of developers are working on Litecoin. There have been relatively fewer commits compared to other popular cryptocurrency projects, but Litecoin is soon going to implement the Bimble integration. For those who don't know about it, it is a privacy layer. It will add optional privacy on the Litecoin. So fundamentally, Litecoin is looking great, but how is it looking technically? That is what we are going to take a look in this video. But this is the Litecoin USDT chart that is fetched from Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange. This is the weekly chart of it, and we are right now in the accumulation phase. Let me pull up some of the indicators. So this is the 20-day moving average, and after a long time, after approximately, I would say 4 or 5 months, we are finally above this 20-day moving average. So this is good news for Litecoin owners. However, let me turn on something. We have a strong resistance at $54 and at around $60. So these are two hurdles in front of us. These are two major resistances for us. So otherwise the chart is looking neutral. If you were looking for a breakout or something that would tell you, hey, is it the right time, or if it is the bottom, look, I think this is the bottom for Litecoin, because when you take a look at monthly, we can see that the sellers are getting exhausted. So we may see a potential upside, and pair that with the fundamental news. I think the Litecoin is looking pretty good. However, there are some other coins which are looking better than Litecoin. For instance, Stellar and Zilliqa, they are looking better than Litecoin. But Litecoin is a very safe cryptocurrency. It doesn't try to do anything fancy. It's a pure cryptocurrency, and its network has been working all the time from the past, I think, 8-9 years or so. So this is the monthly chart of Litecoin, and when you apply the 20-day moving average, you can see that we have a very strong resistance at $60. Color me not surprised. So $60 is the main resistance for the Litecoin, and we must close above it to get some, incredible pumps. You see here, as soon as we got above the 20-day moving average, boom, boom, boom. So this is what I want Litecoin to do. Let's take a look at the BTC chart real quick. Again, Poloniex chart, because it gives, I think, most history compared to other exchanges. So we can see finally a green bar here after 5 whole months of blood. Finally a green bar here. So this is the monthly chart, and again, sellers are getting exhausted. Let's take a look at the weekly. Again, finally a green bar here on the MACD, looking good, but we are still below the 20-day moving average. This is something this is going to act as huge resistance, which right now is about 0.0053. Let's take a look at the daily chart. This is the daily chart of Litecoin, and we are all again below the 200-day moving average. So we are still, I think, in the accumulation phase. I think we can draw a rectangle here. So Litecoin seems to be hovering in this category from 0.0045 till 0.0049. So until we are able to close above this very accumulation area, I think it's a great time to accumulate some Litecoin and average in. These are support resistance flips. As you can also play with the support resistance. If you want, you can sell your Litecoin and buy it again here. But I'm not one of those guys. I'm a long-term guy who likes to average in. So let's take a look at the weekly again. Let me apply the Ichimoku cloud here. So this gives us some more idea. We have been so these are two, this red and blue line, these are the two support lines, and Litecoin is finally able to close above one of these. So this is now going to act as support. So we now have good support at 0.0047, and the next resistance is at 0.0053, followed by 0.006, and then we have super strong resistance at 0.00675. So Litecoin is still in the accumulation range. It's a great time to get into Litecoin. You know, a few months back I mentioned about Stellar, and I think Litecoin is in the same stage. There can be some a few weeks from now, and you will have to wait for some time, I would say, for the Litecoin to break to the upside. But hey, this is a great time to accumulate more LTC. So this was Litecoin, and that was my analysis for the month of June. So hit the like button if you found this video useful, and stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, ICO news, and price analysis. Bye bye.